We have some exciting information for you. Jessica is holding a drone. Do you know you can use drones to teach biblical worldview?
God's word says that in whatsoever we do in word or deed, we're to do all for the glory of God, and that includes how we fly a drone. So this is a drone, also known as an unmanned aircraft system. So that means there isn't a pilot in the aircraft operating the drone, but the pilot is operating the drone from the ground using a remote control. There's a variety of different things that you can use drone technology for, such as wildlife science. I actually used to use a drone as a wildlife biologist to track and look for ducks. So I was a waterfowl research scientist trying to find duck nests with the drone. And then you can also use it in other vocations like real estate, architecture, search and rescue, and as well as crime scene investigation. So there's a lot of different things you can use with drone technology.
Could you use it to find kangaroos?
You could use it to find kangaroos if you were looking for a kangaroo.
If you're at the Ark?
Yes.
And at Ridge Zoo?
Yes, you could.
Oh, you could find a kangaroo.
Mm-hmm. We have what's called Explore Drones program for kids 11 to 18, and that's April 22nd. And that's where Jessica is going to be teaching them all about flight, how we do this to the glory of God, and then they're actually going to get to build a drone. They're going to get to practice flying that drone.
They build a drone?
They get to build a drone, and they get to take it home. Yes.
Really?
Yes, they do.
Each individual person?
Each individual person, April 22nd.
Yep, so we'll be covering the basics of flight safety, flight operation, regulations, and they'll be able to take that drone home once they build it.
You know, we've had a lot of adults say, hey, I want to take part in this amazing, fun science activity. So we're actually offering it's called drone exploration, and that is for anyone over the age of 18. That is for adults only. And once again, they will be building a drone and learning to fly that drone and taking it home.
Hey, I could take that course because I'm just over 18.
You could, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, and they will take one home too? They
will take one home as well. And that event is June 3rd. It's the first time we're offering that event, so we're excited about that.
Jessica, do you think it's even possible to train someone like me to fly a zone?
Yes, I think we could. I think we can manage it.
You think you could? Okay.
Might take a little extra, but we can do it.
So, really, to do it properly and in the sophisticated way you guys do, it does take some training, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. You do have to go through the Federal Aviation Administration is the one who regulates the airspace. So you have to make sure that you are following those regulations because we want to be safe with how we're flying the drone because we want to fly them for the glory of God.
But we're actually going to do a demonstration for everybody.
We are? Okay.
Yes, we're going to show how in crime scene work we can use drones to fixate on a particular suspect and track their movements. And so what we're going to do is have Ken hop into the golf cart.
Oh,
and Jessica,
I'm the suspect?
Yes.
You better have the music.
Yes.
Da, 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 da. Okay.
Jessica is going to fly the drone. She's going to fixate on Ken's location, and then we're going to see the drone track him around the parking lot.
So you're going to stalk me around the parking lot?
Pretty much, yes.
She's going to follow me around the parking lot?
The drone's going to, yes.
Okay, you want me to run over here?
Yes,
okay.
while we set up.
Help! You know what you're doing? Help! Help! Okay, we'll go this way. He didn't do a real good job. He went all over the place.
He's out.
Well, here we are at a crime scene, and there's a bone behind me.
There is.
Did you see that?
It's a femur.
It's a femur, and we can actually 3D map this using a drone.
Yes.
Or using your phone. Drone or phone. That rhymes, you realize that? So we can 3D map a scene, you could do that out in the middle of nowhere without having to send people there, is that right?
Exactly. So that's like one of the latest technologies, is being able to 3D map scenes. And so that's one of the things we're going to get to teach the kids this summer at our Forensic Science 5-day camp, is Jessica will actually demonstrate how we can 3D map a crime scene, and then how you can able to take that footage and you can zoom in onto that footage and you can actually turn it all around and look at the different aspects of that crime
It's all
scene.
three-dimensional.
Yes.
Yep.
So where's the camera on this?
It's up here. So it's right in the front
yeah,
there.
look at
Yep. So it'll actually fly over the crime scene, and then it'll take 2D images of that crime scene, and then you can do post-production. So you can do something called photogrammetry, where it'll stitch those photos together and make a 3D model of your crime scene, which is handy if you're an investigator and need to look at your crime scene when you're away from the crime scene back in the office. So you can reanalyze the scene post-production. And then you can also do something called live mapping if you have some of the sophisticated app technology softwares that allows you to do live mapping on the spot, to have that in real time in order to assess your crime scene as well.
I just realized something. I need to come to this program. She knows all this stuff.
I know, it's going to be a lot of fun.
This is fascinating.
It is June 26th through 30 this summer, and once again, you get to interview Ken Ham and question him.
Oh, I'm a suspect.
He's a suspect this summer. Yes, and you'll have the opportunity to question Ken about his involvement in our case this summer.
Well, I was racing away from the crime scene just before. So there we are. But that is not my FEMA. I can tell you that right now.
It's definitely not.
Mine is here.
If you want to register, www.creationmuseum.org/explore, EXPLORE.